Hello viewers, WhatsApp Meta AI loading problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, first of all, swipe down notification bar and make sure your internet connection is stable. Now turn on flight mode for 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn off flight mode. Now go to Play Store. Click on search bar. Search WhatsApp. From here, update your WhatsApp if available any update version. After all steps, now restart your phone. Now open WhatsApp and go to Meta AI option. Now see, problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.